A restaurant purchased kitchen equipment on January 1st, 2017. On January 2019, the value of the equipment was $14.50. So it depreciated a little bit, probably, right? Like it was probably more expensive than $14,500 when they first bought it. But then, you use it, it gets cheaper every year, just like a used car, right? So let's see what's happening here. The value after that date was modeled as follows. So this equation right there, it's let me go ahead and write this down a little bit bigger, okay? So the equation, the value function, the v of t equals 14,500 times e to the negative 0.156t. This is going to give us how expensive this equipment is going to be from 2017. We can still figure out how much this machine was 2 years ago when they first bought it. But let's go ahead and answer the question. The value after, okay, blah, blah, blah. A, what is the rate of change in the value of the equipment on January 1st, 2019? Okay, so rate of change is how fast the value is changing. It's going down, right? It's changing per year, right? So what they want you to find here is the derivative function. And we'll plug in a t-value here, right? So let's find the derivative of this exponential function. So first, remember what we are doing here. We're going to multiply this number by this number. All right, let me get my calculator. I have one on my desk. 14,500 times negative 0.156. That comes out to be negative 2,262. And that's getting multiplied by that exact same exponential term. So that is the derivative function, how fast the value is changing, okay? At year what? Year 2019, okay? So 2019 is our base year, okay? Because this model is counting from 2019. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in 0 in here. Okay? And for this one, we don't need a calculator. Anything to the 0 power is just 1, right? So what we got is this per year. So at year 2019, the value of this equipment is going down by $2,260 per year. Okay, next question. They're going to ask you for the original value. Okay. So how expensive was this? Now, let's think about this. We have to go back in time. That's what's happening. All right, let me copy this. Let me bring this down here and talk about part B here. This model is in 2019, right? But they bought this in 2017. So 2 years ago. Okay. So we're going to plug in 2, but if you plug in 2, you're going to end up finding the price 2 years after 2019. But if you want to find the price 2 years before, you're not going to plug in positive 2, you're going to plug in negative 2. Okay, so that's the trick here, you guys. You got to plug in your negative 2 into this function. And for this one, I will need a calculator. So let me open up a Desmos scientific calculator to plug that red equation in. So 14,500 times e to the negative 0.156 times negative 2. So this machine, this equipment was $19,809.24 2 years ago. And that's the price that they paid when they first bought it. So let me go ahead and type this in. 19,809.24. And that's how you can find the original value of the equipment. And I think that's it for this problem. Okay?